Yes. Okay.
This is the option 2, how to connect to the, again, wait, okay. The another option to connect your MagGrab power in your car. So from your battery connection, you have from your MagWeb power, you have a positive and a negative lines. So the positive line goes parallel to the positive connection, and the negative line goes to the intake manifold grounding point at the top of the engine, and also an extension to the back of the car. There's a lock screw there. You can have another grounding point. So this will close the circuit because the starter motor ground connection is connected to the negative of the battery. So as you can see, this setup will create a plasma loop in your engine and car
Very,
body,
very inefficient.
making your car
Costly efficient.
as field exit and the rear as field entry. And the rest is for you to discover what happens to your car. Thank you.